We are living in the most transformative period of human history. The engine of this change? Artificial intelligence. It's evolving at a blistering pace, so fast that by the time you finish watching this video, a new model, a new application, or a groundbreaking discovery will have already been made. Every single day, the boundaries of what's possible are not just pushed, they're completely redrawn. We've seen AI generate art that rivals the masters, compose music that stirs the soul, and write code that builds the very digital world we inhabit. These are no longer science fiction fantasies, they are today's headlines. We've become accustomed to the convenience of smart assistants in our pockets and homes, the uncanny accuracy of recommendation algorithms, and the subtle, behind-the-scenes optimizations that make our lives smoother. But this is just the beginning. What we've experienced so far is merely the prelude, the gentle slope at the base of an impossibly tall mountain. What's coming next is on a completely different level. We are on the cusp of an intelligence explosion that will reshape our reality in ways we are only just beginning to comprehend. The incremental improvements we've seen are about to give way to exponential leaps. Imagine a world where your personal AI assistant doesn't just follow commands, but anticipates your needs, managing your life with an efficiency that feels like magic. Picture robots that don't just perform repetitive tasks on an assembly line, but can learn, adapt, and work alongside humans in dynamic, complex environments, from construction sites to hospital operating rooms. Think about the very structure of our society, our economy, and our daily lives being fundamentally re-architected by intelligent systems. From AI that reasons, creates, and strategizes like a human, to humanoid robots that will not just augment, but completely replace entire industries, to foundational technology that will change how we work, play, and even think forever. The future of AI is not just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. Over the next few minutes, we're going to journey into that future. We will explore 6 specific mind-bending predictions that are not decades away, but are taking shape right now. We'll separate the hype from the reality, and look at the tangible breakthroughs that are paving the way for this new era. We'll examine the promise and the peril, the incredible opportunities and the profound challenges that lie ahead. This isn't just about technology, it's about the future of humanity itself. So buckle up. What you're about to see will blow your mind and change the way you think about tomorrow. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dachitson Shu, and I break down the biggest technology trends shaping our future. Today, I'm revealing 6 future AI breakthroughs that experts believe will completely reshape the world over the next few years. So let's jump straight in. Our first major prediction, arriving as soon as 2025, is the dawn of the real-time AI assistant. This isn't just another app or a smarter Siri, this is a fundamental paradigm shift in how we interact with technology. Imagine this, you're walking out of a meeting that ran late. Instead of fumbling with your phone, you simply say, "My flight to San Francisco is in 2 hours, but this meeting ran over. Can I still make it? If not, find the next best option under $300, book it, and let my colleague, Sarah, know I'll be late for dinner." In less time than it takes you to read this sentence, your assistant has already analyzed traffic patterns, checked your flight status, found a better alternative, purchased the ticket using your preferred payment method, updated your calendar, and sent a perfectly worded, context-aware message to Sarah. This is not science fiction. This is the near future. So, what's the technology making this possible? 3 key breakthroughs are converging. First, AI that understands your emotions. By analyzing your tone of voice and speech patterns, it can grasp nuance, sarcasm, and urgency, allowing it to respond with genuine empathy and intelligence. Second, AI that speaks in truly human voices. We're moving beyond robotic text-to-speech to generative audio that is indistinguishable from a human's, complete with natural pauses, inflections, and warmth. And critically, all of this happens in real time, with conversational latency under 150 milliseconds. That's faster than human reaction time, eliminating the awkward pauses that define current voice assistants and making interaction feel completely natural. The interface for this revolution will likely be smart glasses. Imagine looking at a restaurant and instantly seeing reviews, menu items, and reservation availability overlaid in your vision. Or speaking to someone in another language and seeing live translated subtitles appear discreetly in your field of view. This ambient computing layer turns the world itself into your interface. The result is an AI that replaces dozens, if not hundreds, of individual apps. Your banking app, travel aggregator, calendar, email client, and even specialized software for tasks like video editing or financial reconciliation all collapse into a single, conversational interface. You no longer need to learn how to navigate different UIs, you just need to speak. Of course, this level of integration raises significant questions about privacy and security. For an assistant to be this effective, it needs deep access to your personal data, your emails, your finances, your location. The companies that win this race will be the ones who build the most robust, transparent, and user-centric privacy controls. Expect to see on-device processing and federated learning become standard, ensuring your most sensitive data never has to leave your personal devices. The ultimate impact? It will be like having a digital twin of yourself, an agent that understands your goals, preferences, and workflow, and can execute complex tasks on your behalf, 24/7. While you sleep, your assistant could be reconciling your business expenses, preparing a draft of your morning newsletter, and organizing your files. This isn't just about convenience, it's about cognitive offloading. It will free up human creativity and strategic thinking, automating the mundane and amplifying our ability to focus on what truly matters. This is the first, and perhaps most personal wave of the AI revolution, and it's coming much sooner than you think. Prediction number 2. Human-like robots. 2026-2029. Companies like Tesla, Figure AI, and Boston Dynamics are building robots that can walk, lift, talk, and learn. What these robots will do: household chores, elderly care construction and manufacturing, security and delivery, restaurant and customer service work. Game changer. Robots will replace jobs, solve labor shortages, and eventually cost less than a car. Prediction number 3. AI that thinks. AGI progress. Now for the one that keeps both technologists and philosophers up at night. Our third prediction is the monumental leap towards artificial general intelligence, or AGI. To truly grasp the magnitude of this, we need to distinguish it from the AI we use every day. What we have now is artificial intelligence, or ANI. These are systems designed for specific tasks, like playing chess, recommending movies, or even generating this very script. They are incredibly powerful, but they operate within a predefined box. AGI is something else entirely. It's the difference between a calculator and a true mathematician. AGI refers to a machine with the capacity to understand, learn, and apply its intelligence to solve any problem, much like a human being. It wouldn't just follow instructions, it would possess cognitive abilities like reasoning, problem solving, abstract thinking, and even consciousness. A concept we're still trying to fully understand ourselves. We're talking about a system that can think, not just compute. So, what could a true AGI actually do? The possibilities are staggering, and they could redefine the future of our species. First, it could revolutionize medicine. Imagine an AGI that ingests every medical study, patient record, and genomic data set on the planet. It could identify the root causes of diseases like Alzheimer's or cancer, and design personalized cures in a matter of hours, not decades. It could run millions of complex biological simulations simultaneously, discovering novel drugs and treatments that are currently beyond our comprehension. This would move us from treating symptoms to curing diseases at their source. Beyond medicine, AGI could become the ultimate scientific collaborator, ushering in a new renaissance of invention. It could tackle humanity's grandest challenges. Think designing new materials for hyper-efficient batteries, developing viable fusion energy, or creating technologies to reverse climate change. An AGI could analyze complex systems with a holistic understanding that no human team could ever match, proposing solutions that are elegant, efficient, and completely novel. It could also completely transform our economy by running entire companies. An AGI could act as a CEO, making optimal decisions for everything from supply chain management and financial strategy to product innovation and marketing, all in real time, without human bias or error. This could lead to unprecedented levels of efficiency and productivity. Perhaps most profoundly, an AGI could learn anything instantly. It could absorb the entirety of human knowledge and then build upon it, drawing connections between disparate fields like quantum physics and ancient philosophy to generate insights we can't even conceive of. Now, why is this so shocking? And why is it on our list for the near future? For decades, AGI was pure science fiction. But the pace of progress has been exponential. We're seeing models that can reason, plan, and exhibit sparks of general intelligence. Some of the most respected experts in the field, including leaders at major AI labs, now predict that early, nascent forms of AGI could emerge within the next 5 to 10 years. That's not a typo. We could be on the cusp of creating a new form of intelligence on Earth. Of course, this brings up the most critical challenge of our time, the alignment problem. How do we ensure that a super-intelligent AGI shares our values and works for the benefit of humanity? This isn't just a technical hurdle, it's a deeply philosophical one. Getting it right is paramount, because the transition to a world with AGI will be the most significant event in human history. The stakes couldn't be higher. Prediction number 4. AI-powered cities, 2025-2035. Cities will become completely AI-operated. Examples: AI traffic systems that eliminate traffic jams, AI-powered hospitals that diagnose instantly, self-driving taxis everywhere, homes controlled entirely by AI crime prediction and prevention systems result. More efficient cities, cleaner energy use, and a safer environment. Prediction number 5. Entire AI-run businesses, 2025-2027. AI will soon run 100% automated businesses with almost no human involvement. What AI can already do: write ads, build websites, create videos, do customer support, run e-commerce stores, analyze data, manage employees. What's coming next? A single person could own a company that runs 24/7 automatically, generating passive income. Prediction number 6. AI integrated into the human body, 2030 plus. This is the part that blows people's minds. Coming advancements: brain-AI interfaces, AI-assisted vision, AI hearing enhancements, digital memory uploads, real-time language translation in your head. Some humans could have superhuman abilities thanks to AI. The big picture: AI will replace some jobs, but it will also create entirely new industries, new careers, and new opportunities. The people who learn to use AI and not fear it will be the ones who win in the future. If you want a full breakdown on exactly how to make money using AI in 2025, comment AI money below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.